Okay guys, I'm back. This is what I've been waiting for a whole week. I'm about to jump into the shower when somebody knocked on my door. Hence, I'm in a bathrobe. But when this thing showed up on my door, I was like, I need to share it to everybody. I need to unbox this stuff. So, sorry about my appearance. It wasn't meant to be like this, but I'm excited to share to you what's in this box. So let's go ahead and unbox this box. It's heavy. Still sealed. Pull it out. With my feet. I'm pulling it out with help of my feet. Oh my god. This one is a very tight box. Struggle is real. Can you see what's in the box? I'm very excited. This is my best friend's gift for my birthday to me. He sent me money through PayPal and I ordered this myself. Supposedly this is not the kind that I wanted, but when he sent the money it was late and it got sold out already. That's why I chose this. Excited. Oh my god. I'm gonna pull it out using my feet again. This is my Koluli mini fridge. And you know why I have the mini fridge? Because of the teeny skincare that I am currently using. And they said that it's nice if those items, because they are organic, to preserve them longer if you put it in fridge. Well, I don't want to put it in our food fridge, like the big fridge. So that's why I asked my best friend. Well, he asked me what I want for my birthday, and I said, can you please buy him this little fridge? At first he said, little fridge? What do you need a fridge for? I was like, I need it for my skincare. Now that I have skincare, it doesn't look like I have skincare, but I do. And if you watched my previous video, I talk about the TV product. I'm trying to test it for a whole month, so keep on watching that. Keep you updated if TV, do me any good. And these are the cords. So it has cord for your car, so you can travel with this. So you're on a long trip, you want your drinks cold and stuff, you can do that. And this is for the fridge here in the house. So it looks like this. It has two shelves and a shelves in the door, that little thing in the door. So I'm gonna try and put it together, see how it sounds like. And here at the back, it has these little nozzles or knobs. You can use it hot and cold. So cold AC and DC AC. So this one is the AC cord, and the car cord is the DC cord. So let's put this together. Has 100 to 220 volts. Cool. So I want it cold, so I got it in the cold and AC. Let's try this out. Oh, it's on. It has a very silent sound. It's opening and it starts to cool up. It's pretty neat, and it has handles on the side. It's easy to move or transfer this. So this is my balloon mini fridge for my skincare. That is so cute. Look at that. That is so nice. By the way, this is not sponsored. I bought it with my best friend's money. My gift, my birthday gift. And it's really nice. So yes, that's what's in the box. My cool new mini skincare fridge. So yeah, I hope you like this and you're excited about all the stuff that I will put here on my mini fridge. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Don't worry about the mess at the back. Give it a thumbs up. Please comment down below if you have the same mini fridge. Did it work for you or not? Or if you are thinking about buying this little fridge for your skincare, please leave the comment down below so I know that you're planning on doing this, or you didn't have using a regimen before, now you're thinking about having one. It's important, or it affects more if you have it in temperature, especially organic ones like I have Teamy Blends skincare. So it's advisable to put it in the fridge. It's not, you don't have to, but it's just, it's organic, so it easily gets spoiled, and your product is now, it won't last long. So this is useful for that. And yeah, it's very silent. You don't even hear nothing. So yeah, this is my skincare fridge from Italy. I bought it on Amazon, and if you are interested, I will put the link down below so you can purchase it yourself if you want to. Not affiliate, or I don't have coupon code, so I'm sorry about that. But it might help you search for it faster and buy it. So yeah, this is all for this video, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and notification bell. Bye.